Hi there everybody, Marybeth back. What I want to do in this video is a little tutorial to show you how to get your affiliate link to start promoting. It's really quite simple and very quick. So once you get approved, you'll be able to log into your Customer Center affiliate back office for One Page Funnel 3.0. When you do, you'll see two options at the very top. You go to My Customer Center at the top, you'll see Courses, and you'll see affiliate area. What you first want to do is click on affiliate area, and you're going to look at these different options here and features and just familiarize yourself with them. But the one that you want right now is codes, okay? Because this is where you are going to grab by copying and pasting your code that is linked specifically and exclusively to you, so you can put it at the end of your capture page so you can promote it and you can get credit for every single sign up that your automated One Page Funnel 3.0 system generates commissions for you on your behalf. Okay, so this is exactly what it looks like. Go to codes. Okay, it's going to be a combination of letters and numbers. It's kind of long. All you want to do is just simply copy and paste it. Okay, so we right click copy and okay, and then we're going to open up a notepad or something equivalent to notepad. So just search out notepad on your device and pull up a notepad, okay? And just copy it right up here. We're going to be coming right back to it, okay? So you want to put this into a notepad or a document that you can come right back to and be able to copy and paste it at the end of your capture page. You have three choices in capture pages currently at the time of this video. So go ahead, open up a notepad and copy and paste that long link, close out of it. Again, you will find that by going to codes, and then all you do is come across, highlight it, okay, and right click copy, okay, and then take it into your notepad, okay, and I'll just delete it, and then right click paste it. Okay, so there it is. Right click copy, right click paste, put it into a notepad or something of notepad equivalency. Okay, so then we'll go ahead and X out of this for right now. We're going to come back in here and we're going into courses. So we first start with the affiliate area and we find codes, and then once we do that, we copy and paste it. Like I just showed you, again, it's an extension of long letters and numbers, a combination. We go to courses. This is courses. We click on start, okay, and then we simply go down to step number 2, all right? Step number 2, find your affiliate, your unique affiliate ID. So right in step 2, here's your three choices, okay? These are three different opt-in pages. And you can test all three of them and choose the one that you would like, okay? So let's just go ahead and do that right now, okay? So all you're going to do is, it gives you the instructions right here to create your affiliate link. Simply append your affiliate code at the end of the link, okay? Right after the equal sign. So let's go here. Okay, we're going to go with opt-in page number 1. Okay, we're going to start here with the HTTPS. Make sure there's no spaces. Just start right at the H. And we're going to highlight it all the way up to the equal, okay? All the way up to the equal, AFF equals. And then we're going to go ahead and copy that, bring that back into our notepad, and let's just drop it down right below our code right here. And this is opt-in page 1. So let's go ahead and minus out of that. Let's come back and let's do number 2, because this is a second opt-in page. I'm going to show you what all three of these look like. They all actually work very, very well, okay? The name of the game here is committing to the process and remaining consistent with your marketing efforts on a daily basis. So start at the HTTPS, go right up to, and right at the very end of the equal, AFF equals, okay, right click, copy, okay? Come back to our little notepad here that we're creating and paste it right there. That's opt-in page number 2. Now remember, we're going to be taking this long link and we're going to put it right after the equal sign on all three of these, okay? Now we go back to, see, step 2, this is where we're at, all right? and we're going to go right here to HTTPS. Okay, AFF equals right up to the equal, and copy it. And then we're going to come right back into our notepad, okay? And we're going to put it here. Now, these are our 3 choices. Then all you do is take this code, okay, and I showed you where that was. Okay, highlight it. Whoops, sorry about that. Okay, copy it all the way to the end. Okay, make sure there's no spaces. Right-click copy, okay? And then just take it right up to the end of the equal. Now, make sure there's not a space here, and paste it in, okay? Take it right up to the equal of our second page, paste it in, and go right after the equal, okay, AFF equals. Make sure there's no space there. Okay, make sure it's right there, and there you go. We have our 3 links. Now, I would highly recommend that you take whichever one you're going to be using and shorten it. Okay, you can either use a free shortener, or I would recommend what I did. I went to GoDaddy.com and I purchased a domain name. 1 year, I think it cost me about $13 and some change. For 1 year, folks, it's well worth it. And this is the one that I purchased, okay? This is the one that I purchased. Let me just bring this down here. This is the one that I purchased. blessedforsuccess.net. Okay, so I recommend that you do that because you really don't want to be taking and using these long links. But this is how you get the long link. So let me just show you what these look like. I'm going to go ahead and take the first one. Okay, so you can see this live in action. All right, so we're going to come back here. We're going to go to our browser and we're going to plug it in. And voila, this is our option number 1 right here, folks. Okay. Number 1, secret revealed, and all you're going to be doing is driving traffic, and people will be willingly entering their email address in there, wanting more information. They're going to automatically be redirected to your VSL page, your video sales letter, with that video that's out there doing your telling, selling, and explaining for you 24/7. So you have, this is option number 1. This is a wonderful choice. Okay, it's working very, very well. Let's come back here. Okay, and let's go. And let's copy the second one. Okay, we're going to go ahead and right-click copy. Okay, we're going to close out of this. We're going to take this out of our browser. We're going to enter the second choice link into our browser so you can see what this looks like. And voila, here is our second choice. Okay, this is a very nice page. It works very, very well. I started off with this one. Okay. Personal choice, folks. In my opinion, these are all 3 working well. I've actually tested all 3 of these. I love the results that I've gotten from all 3. So this is your second choice, whatever you like, folks. This is a nice little tropical background, you know, attention. Have you seen this yet? Experience our 100% done for you system that empowers you to earn unlimited commissions for life. Tell us where to send access details. All you're doing, folks, is driving traffic to this page and getting people to willingly enter their email. Click here, get instant access, being redirected to your VSL page, okay? So last but not least, we're going to come right back here and we're going to grab, this is the page number 3. Now this is perfect for solo ads, okay, which I will be using this month. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab this. This is the page I'm using. So when you come to my site, blessedforsuccess.net, below this video, this is exactly the one you're going to see, okay? So let's go ahead and copy and paste this into our browser. And there it is. This is my page. It's working well for me, folks. Very, very well. Almost done. Enter your best valid email to confirm that you're not a robot and access the system right now. Again, just driving traffic to the page of your choice. You can promote this any way you want. Free, low cost, paid. Okay? And just getting people to willingly opt in here. And click here to verify. It'll go right to your VSL. And that's how easy it is, folks, to go ahead and get your done for you page quickly up and running. And all you'll do is you'll take and copy and paste this long link, and you'll go over to GoDaddy and you'll go to the forwarding option and you'll forward this. And if you need any help with that, let me know. If you purchase a domain from GoDaddy.com, they have excellent customer service and support. You can actually call them on the phone and they will literally walk you through the process as well on how to forward a domain. You can also go to YouTube. YouTube is an excellent how-to resource. Anything you need to know how to do, just simply type it into YouTube, because YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. How to forward a domain. Okay, so for example, let me just show you, because I like to share as much value as possible. So again, this is an excellent go-to resource, YouTube University, how to forward a domain on GoDaddy. Okay, and there you go, folks. Redirect domain to another website. So any of these, how to forward your domain URL. So you could type in something like how to forward a domain on GoDaddy. I use GoDaddy.com. Okay, so I hope this video found you to be of value. I hope this is helping you or has helped you, because I've been getting a lot of requests on how to do this. But basically, you just have to take the time out, go into your back office, and just do those steps, folks. Very easy. It's all there. There's a video. There's written steps, folks, with instructions. Just read everything. Take your time. Be patient. But hopefully this quick tutorial will help you in getting started, in getting that domain up and running very, very quickly. Okay, so you first go in there, you grab that code, you copy and paste the code into a notepad or the equivalent to a notepad, and then you go into that step 2 and you scroll into step 2 and you copy and paste those 3. You can decide which one you want, and then take the code and put it immediately after the equal, and that is going to give you your link to go ahead and start using, advertising, all that good stuff, folks. But I do recommend going over to GoDaddy.com and doing a simple redirect. So thank you so much, and I will hope to see you soon on the next video. Bye for now.